How to fix Netflix not working on Android. Hey everybody, in today's video we are going to provide you with some fix in order to make it work again on your Android device. So let's just dive right in with the video and get started. First of all, we can start by checking with our internet connection. You can look out for the Wi-Fi and the mobile data to connect that, and you can also try switching between those and restart your router. And you can try again opening up a website to confirm that your internet is working, because slow or unstable internet is one of the most common cause for not having the application working properly. Also, restart your phone. Hold your power button for that and look out for the restart option on your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. After that, confirm it up and open up the Netflix once again, and that should also fix the issue. Apart from that, you can update the application as well. Go to Play Store and open it up. After that, you can go to the search and find Netflix there. So go ahead and open up Netflix. After that, once you find it up, we can just go over and update it. If there's an update available, you can tap on it, and that should also work out for you. If that's not the case, you can uninstall or clear out the cache. You can hold the application and go to the info. Within there, you can go ahead and look out for the option called storage and cache. Scroll down, tap on storage, and go ahead and tap on the option called clear cache. And also clear the data if necessary. If the issue continues, you can tap on clear data and you will need to log in again. Apart from that, you can reinstall Netflix as well. Sometimes you can hold the application, look out for the uninstall option or disable option, and then again enable it or reinstall it from the Play Store and sign in again, and that should probably fix it. And that is it, everybody. Those are probably the methods you can follow up for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.